Kerala government has approached the Kerala High Court seeking to cancel the anticipatory bail of Civic Chandran in the sexual harassment case and for expunging the offending remarks. While granting bail, the Kozhikode Sessions Court had said, and I quote, "The photographs produced along with the bail application by the accused reveal that the de facto complainant herself is exposing to dresses which have essentially some sexual provocative element." So Section 354A will not prima facie stand against the accused. This is what the Sessions Court had said. Now, the order was widely criticized, and the state in its petition has now said that the findings and reasons stated in the order suffer from illegality, lack of sensitivity and sobriety, and perversity, warranting interference by the High Court. Now, the state also said that the findings and observations made by the Court of Sessions are highly deplorable, demeaning, and anti-woman, and it could eventually harm the public trust in the judicial system. Now, the state has also said that the reasons stated by the Sessions judge amount to judicial indiscipline and are liable to be expunged. Now, I'm crossing over to our correspondent, Neethu, to get us more details on this. Neethu, this seems to be a very encouraging action taken by the Kerala government in its petition. Tell us more about what's going to be done.
Yeah, the Kerala government has used very strong words in its petition before the Kerala High Court, where they had sought to cancel the pre-arrest bail, that is the anticipatory bail of this accused Civic Chandran at CV Kuttan. And not just that, they have gone against and said that the remarks made by the judge while giving this order, they are per se illegal, and it suffers from a lack of sensitivity, sobriety, and also says that it is highly deplorable, anti-women, and it would eventually harm the public trust in the judicial system. So the state government wants these remarks also to be expunged. So state government is not taking it lightly that an order coming from the Kozhikode Sessions Court has mentioned something like this, which says that prima facie sexual harassment case will not stand because the complainant is wearing sexually provocative dress, and this is something which will have bearing on other cases also. So the state government is not taking it lightly by one bit. They have made strong objections to this, and they want to expunge the remarks, not just cancel this pre-arrest bail.
Absolutely, Neethu. Now, I do also have a follow-up question for you in this scenario. Now, could you just remind us once more about the case in which the court essentially made these remarks?
This case was related to the anticipatory bail plea which was filed by Civic Chandran, or CV Kuttan, that is his real name, but he's known by his name as Civic Chandran. In a sexual harassment case, there was a complaint by a lady who participated in a camp that after the camp, he misbehaved with her and tried to grab her. So that was a complaint that she had filed. Now, the defense version was that the complaint was filed almost after 2 years since the incident. So this doesn't look like a legitimate case, and this is a cooked-up story. So that was the defense. And the court also went on to say that this man is 74 years old. The accused is 74 years old, and he has problems. Physically, it's not possible for him to stand up. He has to pull a young lady. That's what the court order has said. So all these are things which did not go well, and it was not just one order. There were two orders from the Kozhikode Sessions Court, both in cases. The earlier one was related to a molestation case. In that also, the court had granted him anticipatory bail plea, and in that made another statement that for the sections under the SC Act against the complainant to be there, the person should know beforehand that the person was from this particular community, but in this case he did not know. So these were the two orders that was widely criticized, but then the order for the sexual, since the victim was wearing sexually provocative dress, Section 354A will not prima facie stand, is something which the court had said, and to this the civil society as well as from the experts, everybody has taken objection to it, and now the state government has approached the High Court.
Absolutely. All right, Neethu, thank you so much for joining us and bringing us all of that detail on this story.